your 1040 tax return in under 4 minutes. Regardless of how much money you make, paying taxes is no walk in the park. In this video, we'll give you a crash course on how to file your taxes with the help of our 1040 Easy Tax Refund Calculator. To get the most out of this tutorial, it'll help you have your W-2 form on hand. Before getting started, you'll have to figure out which income tax form to use, 1040EZ, 1040A, or 1040. Each form has different opportunities for deductions and credits based on your annual income. For an in-depth comparison of which form might be right for you, click on the link in the description. Form 1040EZ is best for taxpayers that earn less than $100,000 per year, don't have any children, and are single or filing with a spouse. If you invest in treasury notes, bills, or bonds, this form only allows you to make up to $1,500 in interest. Most taxpayers that use this form are just starting out in the workforce and typically don't have much to report. So let's get started. The first part of the process is figuring out your adjusted gross income, or AGI. Your AGI is the wages, salaries, or tips on your W-2, plus any interest earnings from investments. If you are receiving unemployment compensation, you'll have to include that in your AGI too. Next, you have to scale down your AGI to get your taxable income. The IRS allows taxpayers to subtract a standard deduction from their earnings each year. This amount changes regularly and is determined by your filing status, whether single or married. Once you subtract the standard deduction from your AGI, you'll get your taxable income. Now that you know your taxable income, you can browse through marginal tax rates to see which tax bracket you fall into. You can find this table by following the link in the description or the IRS website. Sometimes, taxes can impact your pay by 25% or more. Next, you have to multiply your taxable income by your tax rate. This will tell you exactly what taxes you are on the hook for. But don't panic, let's check your credits and withholdings to see if you actually owe anything. When you started your job, you filled out a form to state how much of your pay can be held back for taxes. Keep this number in mind. You could also get a tax break by claiming the Earned Income Tax Credit. To see if you qualify and how much you can get, check out our EITC video. The moment of truth. If your withholdings and EIC are less than your tax bill, you'll owe the difference. When your withholdings and EIC are greater than your tax bill, you'll get a refund. Congrats! Or if you want to make your life easier, just head over to OkCalculator.com. We've built our system using the latest rates, deductions, and credits, so you can quickly work out your taxes and get on with your day. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to our channel and share this video. Unified knowledge is power.